ಸಂಕಲ್ಪದಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. My dear brothers and sisters of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of the monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of all religions. And I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. My thanks also to some of the speakers on this platform who, referring to the delegates from the Orient, have told you that these men from far off nation may well claim that's the idea of toleration. I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. I'll quote you, my brethren, few lines from a hymn which is every day repeated by millions of human beings. As different streams having their sources in different places, all mingle their water in the sea. So, O Lord, different paths which men take through different tendencies, various do they appear, crooked or straight, all lead to thee. Yeli, Yeddeli, Guri Muttuva Tanaka, Nilladiri. Arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. Yeli, Yeddeli, Guri Muttuva Tanaka, Nilladiri. Arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. Thank you.
ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್, ಬಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಯೂತ್, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಯುವಕ ಯುವತಿಯರಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಸತ್ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ತರಲಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ದಿನ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಜಯಂತಿಯನ್ನ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.